So today I want to show you guys how to make SolidWorks Cam. So the first step we have to choose is define machine. This to make sure the machine that we use is millimetric. And the second step is click on coordinate system. Make sure we use the right axis at the XYZ axis. So make sure the origin is we choose entity and click on X axis, Y axis and Z axis to the right line. After that we click OK. So the next step is stop manager. Click on stop manager. The material that we choose is 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, and click OK. So the next step is setup. Click on mill setup. So the features, click all the features: face, parameter, multi-surface feature and curve feature for chamfering. So click find and finish all that thing and click OK. So the next step is extract machinable features. So let it loading and wait after it done, and after it done click on generate operation plan and loading, and we click on generate toolpath. After generate toolpath we click on simulate toolpath. So now we can see the navigation of the machine to cut the block to make the object that we want. And after that we click on post process and play. So we can see that the NC code is the instruction of the machine to make this block as we want. So that's all, and thank you.